Huda, and today, since we all know that the wedding season is back and a lot of you are attending weddings now, so I thought why not glam up a little bit, because I myself I'm going to be attending a wedding this week, so I thought why not just create a glam look and share it with you guys how easy and simple it is to create this look. It only took 30 minutes for me to record. Basically what it means that within this 30 minutes I wasn't just sitting here doing my makeup, I was drinking my tea, I was walking around trying to find my lashes, and I was doing all those kind of things. So basically what I'm trying to say over here is that this makeup only took me 15 minutes to do, and I used all my favorite products which I use on a daily basis. So there are some tips and tricks which I would like to share with you guys and show you guys how easy it is to actually create this stunning look. And for all my ladies out there who do not want to spend a lot of time on creating or putting on eyeshadows, this is something which is my go-to right now. So without further ado, make sure to like this video, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video.
So the very first thing we're going to start off with is skin prep. So for moisturizer today, I'm using the Olay Complete SPF 15 and I'm gently massaging it all over my skin. Then I'm going to go over with the sunscreen. So the one which I'm using in today's video is from Neutrogena and it's SPF 50. Then I'm gonna make sure to prime my face, and I'm using my favorite e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer for my foundation base. Usually I do my eyebrows off camera, but today I used the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel, and it's in the shade 380, and I'm just basically using an angle brush and shaping my eyebrows. For my eyeshadow base today, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline, and these days I am absolutely loving this product since the texture or the consistency of the product is so thin. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing any kind of concealer or eyeshadow base at all. And the highlight for today, the eyeshadow palette, is from Huda Beauty. It's called the Desert Dusk palette, and it has so many neutral colors in it. Neutrals, dark, shimmery shades as well. It's so versatile, like you could use it for a simple look or a glam look as well. So for today, I am actually doing a very simple, basic eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to use this dark brown orange shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and go in a circular motion and apply this shade all over my lid. For all my ladies who actually struggle with putting on eyeshadow, or even do not want to spend a lot of time on putting eyeshadows, this is a great technique. Just use a darker shade of brown or orange and basically apply it all over your lid, and apply a neutral lipstick or a darker shade of lipstick, and trust me, the whole look will just look so nice. Like it would just look very effortless. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using this golden shimmery shade. So I'm just picking it up with one of my angle brushes, and I'm just applying it in the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm gonna apply some on my brow bone as well. Next, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty loose setting powder, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. I feel like applying loose setting powder before applying a foundation just gives a much more nicer coverage. So next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation. It's called the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and it's in the shade 495. Guys, make sure you're using a damp beauty blender. I feel like it makes such a huge difference when you apply your foundation using a damp beauty blender rather than a dry one. It just makes sure that the foundation hugs your skin so nicely, and the whole look is gonna look so flawless. Then I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder again, and I'm going to use my powder brush and dab it all over my face to set my face. I enjoy doing this step because it just shows how much of a difference it can make when you're actually applying loose setting powder before applying foundation and right after. You can see the difference in coverage when you're actually putting on only foundation versus the powder as well. I'm going to go in again with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it right underneath my eye area, my just on top of my nose, my forehead, my chin and Cupid's bone, just around the area where I want to highlight. The bronzer which I'm using today is from Lancome, and this was one of the first bronzers I had ever purchased, and this is such a great product, guys. I'm not sure if Lancome carries it anymore or not, but I really enjoyed, and the pan itself doesn't contain a lot, so I have used so much. It's almost done. So today I'm going to be using this particular bronzer and make sure my skin looks bronzy and sun-kissed. For highlighter palette, I'm using Glowdient makeup palette, and this is such a stunning palette. It's called the Touch and Sol Pretty Filter Glowdient makeup palette, and I got this palette in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and guys, I absolutely love this product. Like, it's my go-to these days. Everybody knows how much I love the Milani matte lipsticks, and for today I'm using number 14 Devotion. And guys, like, I always recommend Milani matte lipsticks. If you're a matte lipstick lover, you definitely gotta try this line, and I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. So for today's look, I'm putting this beautiful bold red lip, and look how stunning it looks. I absolutely love it. To finish the look, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And guys, if you've been following me since the very day one, my very first video, you would notice that I have always struggled with putting on setting spray. But this one, I am in love with it. The spray itself is so nice, like it doesn't even feel like you're putting on mist or anything like that on your face, and it lasts you so long, and it keeps your makeup in place. So if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.